Let's start with the USB-C charging port. Open the main compartment and find the built-in charging cable. Simply connect your power bank to the cable and place it in the designated pocket at the bottom of the backpack. Once your power bank is turned on, you can connect your phone's charging cable to the external USB port and charge your phone anytime, anywhere. Make your backpack truly yours with a customizable luggage tag. It magnetically attaches to your bag for convenience and a sleek look. Next, check out the side water bottle compartment. It's spacious, waterproof, and long enough to fit a large water bottle or even a foldable umbrella, a perfect feature to keep your essentials handy and dry. Travel smarter with the luggage strap. It easily attaches your backpack to your suitcase for seamless travel. On the back, there's a hidden anti-theft pocket, perfect for storing your wallet or valuables. It's secure, discreet, and easy to access when you need it. Now let's move to the front pocket. This pocket is all about easy access and organization. Inside, there's a waterproof section for storing wet items, a key clip to keep your keys secure, and plenty of depth to fit a toiletry bag or other items you want within reach. It's the ideal spot for on-the-go convenience. Right below the front pocket, there's an additional zippered compartment, perfect for storing smaller items you want quick access to. At the bottom of the backpack, you'll find a shoe compartment. It's odor-free, water-resistant, and spacious enough to fit shoes up to size 13. Need more space? Open the expandable zipper to gain an extra 4 inches of packing room, giving you even more flexibility to carry everything you need. Finally, the laptop compartment. It's designed to hold a laptop up to 19 inches, along with a tablet and important documents. Plus, it features a TSA lock on the side for extra security, keeping your valuable items safe while you're on the move. For more details of Vacuum Seal Backpack, don't forget to subscribe this channel or our Instagram account.